Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here, and I would like to take you out in the lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Dodge Journey SE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, roof rails, keyless entry, and much more. If you find compact crossovers a little too compact, yet you don't want to deal with the fuel economy of a large crossover, the Dodge Journey may be the answer. This Journey has 17-inch steel wheels with covers and all-season touring tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Journey is in great condition. It has auto-off aero composite halogen headlamps with delay off, along with speed-sensitive wipers and a really nice grille and chrome accents to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Journey has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive 21 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget, this Journey only has 40,776 miles on it. At the back of the Journey, you can see the antenna, the high mount light and rear wiper, along with the large tail lamps and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see it is very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a comfortable third row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their own overhead climate control. They can use the fold-down armrests with cup holders and power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable premium cloth seating. You have a large console for storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Journey is also equipped with a locking glove box, bin doors, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express down. This Journey has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3 compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have dual automatic climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.